Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef Sloppy Joes and Casual Chef Pea Salad. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Cooking the bacon. And the bacon is waiting to go into the salad. The mise en place for the pea salad. All the goodies in the bowl. And here's the dressing. And the dressing and the goodies are going to be married. And here's the Casual Chef Pea Salad. Here's the mise en place for the Sloppy Joes. And heating up some oil in a saute pan. And starting to saute some red onion. Then I add some garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Then I add the red bell pepper and saute. Then I push the veggies aside and start to brown the ground turkey. After the brown turkey, I add the spices. And then I add the Heinz ketchup. And here's the final Sloppy Joes. And here's the final presentation.